Hi friends, today I am at the Western Terrain Coffee Roasters here in Hesalgata. Hope you can all hear me well, but I'm going to remove this mask now. So I'm in Western Terrain Coffee Roasters and I'm here for the food tasting today. I'm going to show you more about their coffee and food available here in Hesalgata. This is my first time traveling to this part of the town. But I used to come for a dance academy close by, so I remember that. And let's look into all the goodies they are going to serve me today, and we'll taste all their goodies. So I'm going to show you around this Western Terrain Coffee Roasters Cafe, and we'll get started. So this is Western Terrain Coffee Roasters, and we are at the Chikkabanavara, Hesalgata. It is close to all schools and colleges, and Jallahalli is close by. So you can see the access roads. Now let's go into the cafe. So here you go. As soon as you enter, that's how the cafe looks. You've got alfresco dining outside, and you've got a very cool ambience inside. So this is the ambience of Western Terrain Coffee Roasters, and you can also purchase their coffee here. So everything is on display. They prepare coffee with pure Arabica coffee. So here you go. I'll show you more. So here's the menu. Here's the food menu, and then we have the coffee menu. Wide selection of pastas, burgers, very affordable pricing. As you can see, they have waffles, they have something for everyone. You can pick and choose as per your choice. Milkshakes, sundaes, shakes, okay, quite a wide variety. And their coffee. So the coffee comes from their own estate, and it's all organic. And you can see the entire menu for coffee and drinks. So it's all organic. Okay, so the first dish I'm going to taste is the Zinger Burger. It's got a crispy chicken patty, and it's got good sort of a grill, and they've placed a lot of veggies, and they serve it with a side of mayonnaise and tomato ketchup. And all of their products are made with organic ingredients, and it is all made with olive oil. So it's very healthy basically. So here is the Zinger Burger. I asked them to cut it in half, and here you can have a look. That's good amount of chicken patty and veggies. Looks very healthy. I'm going to taste it. So I'm going to taste their Zinger Burger first. Here's the Zinger Burger. It's got good amount of veggies and all of it. Quite a soft bun though, and I really like it. I like the grill marks on this. So here goes. I'm going to taste it. Super agide. So very nice. It's got a crunchy patty. Very good, very good. You've added some sauce, salsa like sauce. I really like it. So one thing I would like to tell about the Zinger Burger is, while I'm tasting this, I can just see the chicken breast is nicely flattened, and then it is dipped in a special coating, and then it's fried. So it's very, very tasty. It's nice and crunchy, and that sauce, salsa like sauce in this Zinger Burger is very tasty. I really like it. Without the mayonnaise and ketchup, this is good on its own. So this is WTC's club sandwich. It looks so yummy. This has got egg in it, chicken in it, and it has got a lot of veggies like red cabbage, onion, tomato, cucumber. And you can see the amount of chicken, and it comes with the french fries, then chicken nuggets. They serve with some mayonnaise and ketchup, and I really like the sauce here. It's got that sweet chili sauce in it. I'm really enjoying it. Okay, so I'm going to taste the WTC Club sandwich. This has got a lot of red cabbage. It's got that grill marks, classic grill marks. It's got the chicken, egg. It looks yummy, so I'm going to taste it and tell you how it tastes. Every layer, it's the bread is so soft, and at the same time it's crunchy. It's very nice, very tasty. I can get a good hint of pepper from this. It's very tasty. The chicken has a good hint of pepper, and they've added some sort of mayonnaise. In the burger, it was quite different. It had the sweet chili sauce. So I shifted from that side to this side because I wanted a better lighting. So you can see, it's very nice. I'm going to finish all of this and I'll get back. Okay, what I had earlier was the chicken club sandwich. This is the veg sandwich. It's got a good grill mark on it and loaded with vegetables inside. It looks so yummy, and it's got chips and all of it loaded inside. Okay, next I'm going to be tasting this veg sandwich. It's got crinkle cut chips in it. It's got good amount of veg in it. It's got corn and that sweet chili sauce I was talking to you about. It's loaded with that. I'm going to taste it. Yum. Excellent. So the peri-peri sauce in this is amazing, and they've added some sort of a potato patty. It's crispy, it's very nice. I'm in love with this hot sauce. So this is WTC's mocktail. It has got watermelon, pineapple, Sprite and ice cubes. Very refreshing for the summer. Mocktail. It's got pineapple and very refreshing. It looks very refreshing with the watermelon. So good. I can get a mint smell. It's got pineapple for sure. Very refreshing. You can see how tall the tumbler is. Very good, very refreshing. There are a lot of people around me, so don't mind if I'm talking a little low. One more thing I found in this mojito was they have frozen this watermelon. It's like an ice cube and it gives a very good refreshing taste and a flavor. It's very nice. As it melts, it's giving a good refreshing flavor. Okay, so the next dish is penne alfredo pasta. This is chicken pasta. They have added a white sauce, and the chicken is it's marinated with pepper and tossed in olive oil, oregano and herbs, and then added to the penne pasta. So it looks yum. I'm going to taste this. I'm going to try the alfredo pasta. It's nice and creamy. It looks creamy. It's got chunks of chicken in it, and it's penne pasta. Very good. Very good. Nice and creamy, and the pasta is perfectly prepared. It's very nice, very tasty. So this is elbow pasta in Arabica sauce, and it has got lot of veggies. Looks very yummy. It's very nice and spicy. That's what I feel. Okay, I'm going to taste the elbow pasta with Arabica sauce. It has got a lot of veggies in it. So this is the veg elbow pasta with Arabica sauce. It's tangy and it's nice and spicy. I think the tang is from the olive juice. It's made with olive oil, that's for sure. It's got nice herbs in it, and it's nice and spicy. So this is what I came for, the coffee. So here we have the crunchy frappe. It has got a lot of Oreo biscuit, I feel, and it's got some sort of ice cream base, and it's nice and cold coffee. It's very yum. So this crunchy latte is made with espresso coffee, Oreo biscuits, ice cream. It's a nice cold coffee. Okay, let me taste it and tell you how it tastes. So let me taste this crunchy latte and tell you how it tastes. So what I like is it's got that grainy texture, and it's a cold coffee. It's got slight hint of bitterness in it, and it's got that chocolate flavor and taste. So this is hazelnut cappuccino. It's pure Arabica coffee, and the Arabica coffee is brewed, and creamy milk is added to it. You can add your sugar as per your choice. This cappuccino is one of my favorites. I'm going to taste it and tell you how it tastes. The hazelnut cappuccino is pure Arabica, and it is something that is grown in the Western Terrain coffee plantation itself, and the coffee is brewed, and it's nice and frothy. I'm going to be tasting this now. Oh yum, it just coats your tongue, and the coffee is nice and bitter. I really like it that way. I don't like it with the sugar, so I'm not a sugar person, and I really like this. It's absolutely yummy. I love the hint of hazelnut in it. They've added a hazelnut syrup in this, so I like the hint of hazelnut. You can also choose your flavors of coffee and cappuccino, and you can add it as per your choice. It's excellent. Thank you Western Roasters team for entertaining me and the PR team. Until next time, this is Vidyalakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. A detailed description will be in the description box below this video. Until next time, this is Vidyalakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.